Welcome everyone back to the channel. As you just saw, we cut down some trees earlier this week, about 2 days ago. So we have our logs right here. We're going to retrofit this old dog kennel into our pig enclosure, our pig pen. We don't have our electric fencing yet, so we're gonna do our little pig enclosure here, kind of like what Justin Rhodes does. So it'll be pretty neat. We got to go ahead and take off this old chain link from this dog kennel that they had. We're going to take out these rotted boards because each corner post is a 4x4 treated, so it's not going to rot. We'll take these out. We're going to run our new pine logs across, and then we're going to back it with a section of chain link. So it should be nice and strong for our pigs. And then next week get some mulch in here, and then follow it up with our little bacon boys. All right, everyone. Well, we're just gonna start taking this apart to fit our needs. So stay tuned and enjoy. So we're just using a cat's paw to get these fence staples out.
So yeah, as you'll see, we're just using the cat's paw right now. You can see that board that the chain link is actually connected to. It's all rotted. All the wood that they used except for the end posts were untreated. So you'll see in a second we start taking it apart, and the wood is actually splitting in half long ways or horizontally, which is pretty crazy. I never saw that. So, but yeah, cat's paw worked very well. It took us about 25-30 minutes to take all that chain link off, and then after this we start actually cutting our logs and everything to go as our runners.
So yeah, we're just cleaning off the top of our future pig pen, ex-dog kennel. Something. I don't know what they use this for. Maybe they use this for people. You just say that. We're gonna put our little brother in it.
Gwen when she's bad.
Joke's on you, Gwen's never bad.
Oh, really?
She just does what she wants to do.
So as I mentioned earlier, when we start taking off these boards, they just start breaking apart. They explode. It's crazy. We had like 2 full-length boards. So each one of those boards, except for the front face, are 12.1 feet long. So Tristan's just knocking them out with a little maul real quick, and they're just breaking apart. It's what happens when you don't use the proper wood and everything like that. So it is what it is. I mean, we weren't gonna use that wood again. Some of it we can use for something else, but for the most part, that's all just rotted. Like that board right there literally was in an ant pile, and it just disintegrated as soon as Tristan hit it. So yeah, we just took all the runners off, and the next bit that you'll be seeing is we're using the chainsaw to actually cut our notches in our pine poles, and it works. It looks really good.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our arrivederci. We're gonna take our logs, we're gonna notch the ends of them, and then we're gonna use those for our new runners.
This is the first time we ever notched wood in order to build a structure, but it turned out really well. We had to make one cut later on to make a clearance for the actual pole itself on our existing structure, but for the most part it came out beautifully. It's nice and snug. We used nails until we ran out of nails, 4.5, 5-inch long nails, and then we just used some screws, 4.5-inch, 5-inch screws to just hold them in place. It worked out well. It looks good, and I think our pigs will be happy there. So.
You almost killed me. You were supposed to grab it, now look at it. You said walk over here, I was. He almost killed me, Tristan. I got it.
So as you just saw, Tristan tried to make me commit suicide with a log pole, but we just start using 4.5, 5-inch long nails, driving our pine poles in. These poles should be able to stand quite a few years of moisture and everything. They're strong, durable, so we're not really worried about it. But it looks really good at the end, and we're still going to put 2 more runners, so just it's cool.
Well, everyone, this is day 1 of us building our pig pen. We're gonna put two more runners in the middle right here. But yeah, this came along really well. This is, I mean, it's all free. We did have the slab already here. It was an old dog kennel, like I said earlier, that we're just retrofitting for our future pigs. So we can have this knocked out by tomorrow, and I'll show you a final thing. I won't do another boring video about it. We'll do something else tomorrow for the video, but yeah, it looks really good. It's going to serve its purpose. So we just need to clean up some, and then tomorrow knock this out, and I'll see y'all again. So thank y'all so much for everyone who has subscribed. We've gotten like 20 subscribers in the last day, which is so awesome. I appreciate it. Tristan appreciates it. We all appreciate it. So go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.